Helping one person might not change the whole world, but it could change the world for one person. When it hurts, observe. Life is trying to teach you something. Because the truth is, it does not really matter who I used to be. It's all about who I have become. To be kind is more important than to be right. Many times, what people need is not a brilliant mind that speaks, but a special heart that listens. Just because the past did not turn out like you wanted it to, doesn't mean your future can be better than you imagined. Sometimes we motivate ourselves by thinking of what we want to become. Sometimes we motivate ourselves by thinking about who we don't ever want to be again. Two things define you: your patience when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything. When you have fought so hard to get back on your feet, don't ever go back to the people who knocked you down. No matter how much it hurts now, someday you will look back and realize your struggles changed your life for the better. Every weakness you have is an opportunity for God to show His strength in your life. We cannot change yesterday and we cannot predict tomorrow, so we will live for today and pray tomorrow comes out way, because tomorrow is never promised. Change your life today. Don't gamble on the future. Act now without delay. I thank God for protecting me from what I thought I wanted and blessing me with what I didn't know I needed. My goal for this year is just to fall back in love with myself and the world and life again. If you don't get hurt, you will never learn. If you don't make mistakes, you will never be successful. If you don't encounter failure, pray then, let it go. Don't try and manipulate or force the outcome. Just trust God to open the right doors at the right time. Show respect even to those people who don't deserve it, not as a reflection of their character, but as a reflection of yours. Don't allow someone to treat you poorly just because you love them. With everything that has happened to you, you can either feel sorry for yourself or treat what has happened as a gift. Everything is either an opportunity to grow or an obstacle to keep you from growing. You get to choose. Thoughtful life of people will make you mad, disrespect you, and treat you bad. Let God deal with things they do, cause hate in your heart will consume you too. Expectation may sometimes lead you to disappointments, but the anger of getting disappointment may sometimes lead you to what you expected. Beautiful things happen in your life when you distance yourself from all the negativity and drama. Everyone comes with baggage. Find someone who loves you enough to help you unpack. Everything will work out in the end. You don't need to know how. You just have to trust that it all